100% other fibers. Imported. The most trusted name in backpacks, our belief in our packs is strong. Every JanSport comes with a lifetime warranty. Carry your JanSport with confidence, knowing we'll replace or repair any breaks. The perfect size, our miniature backpack is ideal for sightseeing, daypack travel. Hands-free freedom in carrying your essentials. Surprisingly roomy, small profile yet plenty of interior space to keep your personal items safe organized. Reliable mini backpack. JanSport miniature backpacks are made with durable fabric, zippers, straps and colors, designs to reflect your style. American tradition in backpacks, generations have grown up come to rely on this trusted brand. Over 50 years of schools, work, road trips, discovering fun, freedom, adventure. Top reviews from the United States. Love this tiny backpack. I bought this for a recent trip to Disney as I did not want to carry my purse. I am so happy with this backpack. I was able to fit everything in the bag I needed, such as my wallet, keys, phone, water bottle, amongst souvenirs and other various things I decided I needed to have with me. It is a regular JanSport but tiny. Super durable, relatively water resistant, it rained and went through water rides without leaking to the inside. It's very comfortable. I figured since it was small the straps would be problematic, but they were not. I am absolutely thrilled with my purchase. I may start using this in lieu of my regular bag.